Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update. I'm going to first start off this week's Locksport update with me unboxing the subscriber giveaway that I won from Lockmania. I am so excited to get this package open. It has been very strongly secured. It had a pretty long trip across seas, and we're going to see what it takes to open this up. It looks like it's really taped down here, and I'm just so excited to see what he was able to send me. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so here's the contents right here. The first thing I got was this James Bond lockpick set. You can see in a previous video that I have made, I have reviewed one of these sets, and I just find them to be pretty cool. The picks are a little bit hard to use, but I do feel like they are pretty strongly made, and I was able to get open a good amount of locks when I used this set for the review. They are something fun to keep in your wallet, and you just never know when you're going to want to use them. So thank you so much for sending those in. Lockpick wise, I got this Gozo pick with a few tensioners. It looks like the tip has been broken off so that it can be utilized as a pick to open up a tubular lock. I got some pretty cool little tools here. To me, these look like they are going to be utilized to be key extractors, just based off of this shape. If I were to manipulate the metal a little bit and shave some of this off and make it more into a hook, this would be a pretty cool little pick to use on those locks with the super small keyways. That'd be interesting to try out. And the next thing I have here is a Lockmania sticker. Thank you so much for sending that out. That's always fun to have. And I have this cool little lever lock. I'm trying to get into lever locks. I ordered a set from Andy Mack, and I'm going to try to work on this one. To me, looking on the inside, looks like it is a one lever lock. It doesn't look like it has much going on, but that will be something fun to work on and learn. I have a nice little castle padlock, number 440. This castle padlock has a pretty open keyway, and that will be pretty fun to work on. He sent over a little tool to magnetize and demagnetize stuff. I have never used one before, but that will be interesting to utilize. Then I have this gas cap here. That will be an interesting lock to try to pick. Secure Pro picks. These are a pretty cheap set you can get online for like $4, but I've opened up American locks with these in the past, and they are actually a pretty cool set to have if you're just looking to invest as minimal money as possible. I have this little combo lock here that came with some jigglers as well. That'll be fun to decode. Then I have several small boxes. Inside these boxes comes with some locks. I have the 200 sub challenge lock. It's a Ruco. The 200 sub challenge lock by Lockmania. So that is pretty cool. Thanks for sending that in the giveaway. Oh, look at how small that is. That's pretty cool. Looks like a pen tumbler lock, but it has like almost like a dimple looking key. Look at how small that keyway is. Little lock here. I don't think it's just the key that goes to it. We have this really cool little padlock here, and that opens right up. Very cool, thank you. And this really, really small little padlock here. Now isn't that pretty cool? I have a tubular lock, which will be fun to work on with the tools that Lockmania sent me. And the final piece of the giveaway is this lock right here. So, Lockmania, thank you so much for doing such a pretty cool giveaway. I feel so lucky to have won this, and this wraps it up for the unboxing of everything that Lockmania has sent to me. If you haven't already, I highly recommend you check out his channel. And what I'm going to do now is move forward with this week's Locksport update. thank you for checking out this week's Lock Sport update. This is a really fun video series that I started, so the community has a really great place to share any things that they have been working on, and I have a great place to share some of the things that I have been working on. I just want to first go over a few of my personal milestones that I've recently reached. First of all, my channel has recently surpassed 2 million views. That is incredible. I have just recently reached 1 million views, and I cannot believe that I have now gone over 2 million. That is such a big accomplishment, and I cannot believe that so many people have watched my videos. It is so fun to watch my channel continually grow. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that helps support my channel. Another really cool thing is I have recently just gotten in a new aluminum pinning tray from Lockfall.com, and he also sent me over a prototype tray. He's going to start selling a miniature version for about $35. I'm going to do an unboxing of that in a video to come and a quick review on it, but I'm so excited to have gotten that in very recently. And a few other milestones is I want to just say a big congratulations to Daz Evers. He is a really great member of the Lock Sport community. He is always making great challenge locks, really cool custom picks like the one you can see right here. What he has recently done is he has reached 500 subscribers. That is such a big accomplishment, and I am so happy to see your excellent channel continuing to grow and just seeing the overwhelming support from the community. He also has reached a really cool milestone. He just picked the EVA 3KS on video. That is a really cool, challenging lock. He had a lot of fun learning to pick it, and I'm going to show you a really quick clip of him opening up that lock in just a second.
Okay, so I finally managed to get hold of one of these EVA 3KS locks, and oh my goodness me, what an amazing lock. I mean, it's probably one of the most intricate locks, there's probably one of the most intricate locks that is actually out there. Certainly probably one of the most intricate locks that I'll ever be able to pick. And I've thoroughly enjoyed my journey with this. I mean, it's an amazing lock. Where's two gone? Can't help but think I'm so close. Yeah, and we're open. There you go. How about that then, eh? The 3KS picked.
I'd also like to say a really big congratulations to the Board Lockpicker. The Board Lockpicker won my subscriber giveaway, and he has recently just received the winning tray. Lockfall.com sent him out a really cool aluminum pinning tray, and he had just done an unboxing video and tested it out for the first time, and I'm so happy to hear that you're very happy with the tray and you really enjoy using it. I also have a few quick updates regarding some of the smaller channels out there. One is Bluegrass Lockpicking. Bluegrass Lockpicking has recently changed his name. He is now going by Andrew Warfield. If you're already subscribed to him, you'll still be able to get to his channel, but it is going to be under a different name. Lockmania let me know about the change, and I just wanted to say thank you, Lockmania, for the update. If anyone has wondered where Bluegrass has gone, he hasn't gone anywhere. He is just going by a different name. Also, Pestilence wanted to update me on, he has been working on getting in a new lock. He wants to restore a D&M Co. Smokehouse padlock. I'm not very familiar with that lock or what it even looks like, but he says it's from around 1861 to 1864. It's going to be an extensive restoration. He is going to really try to get a lot of the rust off of it and get it back to a more functional level. That is going to be fun to watch, and if you haven't checked out his channel already, I'll put a link up on the top here so you can consider checking it out and subscribing. Pestilence is always restoring and collecting some older locks, and it is a lot of fun to check out. Another update is Thumper. Thumper, if you do not know already, he has been suffering from some pain issues from a recent surgery, and he hasn't been able to pick locks as frequently. What he had done is he had surgery on his shoulder, collarbone, and elbow, and that has put him out of commission. He's been having a lot of difficulty being able to pick locks and managing the pain. In my last week's Lock Sport update, he was able to share that he'll probably be much better in about a week or so he'll be able to start making some more videos and being able to start picking some more locks, which is pretty exciting. If you haven't checked out Thumper already, I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another cool video that I saw last week was Lockmania. He made a pretty cool homemade snap gun, and in a recent video he showed you the process he took in order to make that snap gun, just in case if you wanted to try to make one of your own. It seems to be a pretty effective tool, and it seems pretty easy to make. And I wanted to say, Lockmania, thank you for sharing that, and I'll put a very quick clip of that snap gun in just a moment.
Hey guys, I was asked to show how I made this.
I just want to say thank you again to Lockmania for sending me this really awesome giveaway prize. I am so excited to check it out and try to start working on some of the locks and just going through everything one more time. If you haven't checked out Lockmania already, he's very active in the community, always commenting in different people's videos and just trying to keep up with what everyone has been up to. If you haven't already, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out Lockmania's channel and consider subscribing. All of the channels that I have mentioned today, I'm going to add a link to their channel in the video description below. So if you'd like to check them out, just hop down to the description below and you'll be able to check out their channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone that shared last week. Any of the updates they'd like to see shared this week, I highly recommend, if you have any updates, to please share them in the comments section below, and I will try to share them next week. But that is all I have for you today. This has been this week's Locksport update. I am so excited to see what the next week will bring, and thank you to everyone for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. Just thank you so much for checking this out and making this community so fun to be a part of.